Quicken Simplifi versus Quicken Deluxe. Today we are going to demonstrate the difference between Quicken Deluxe versus Quicken Simplifi. So in order to do that, I have this small comparison table which will demonstrate the difference for you. So the first thing is Quicken Deluxe and Quicken Simplifi's focus. The Deluxe focus on powerful and in-depth, while Simplifi focus on simplicity and user-friendliness. We talk about the access. You can access the Deluxe on the desktop software and it has limited mobile access. While Simplifi has web and mobile app, which means you don't have to, download it. You can actually access it from the mobile app or through the online web. Now the price Dulux is more expensive as it has a yearly subscription and Simplifi is less expensive as it also have yearly subscription. If we talk about the bill pay, Dulux does pay bills and Simplifi does not. If we talk about reconciliation, yes, Dulux does that and Simplifi does not do that. You have to do the manual work. If we talk about the reports, Dulux provide more advanced and customizable reports while Simplifi provides simpler and basic reports. If you talk about the investment tracking, you can be more comprehensive. And if you talk about Simplify, it has recently added and it has basic features. The That's pretty much it. That was the difference. It totally depends upon you, whatever you want to go with. Hope you guys find this video helpful.